It's gorgeous. These are all the colors. They're so pretty. Hi guys, I'm back, and yesterday I got a chance to unbox the Maddie X Morphe palette, and I also got a chance to try some shades out, and they are all very beautiful. Today I'm going to recreate a look that Maddie did on the People TV YouTube with her palette, so I'm gonna do that since I have no idea how to do my own looks yet. Because as you know, I'm not a makeup guru. If you watch my latest videos, you know that the only makeup I did was for either like past middle school plays or like dance performances, and hopefully this is just the beginning of my makeup journey. So let me just get started with the look. Hi guys, so I'm popping in here to tell you a little something that I forgot to mention before, is that I purchased this because I love Maddie. I watch Dance Moms all the time, and she's an amazing dancer, so that's why I also was really excited to purchase this as well. I'm purchasing it for the amazing colors. Yeah, just thought I would let you guys know. Now let's get back into the video. So let me see what she does first. So first she said she's going in with the base color, which she said she was going to be using Butterfly Fantasy and Maddie Girl. So she's just gonna use that as a base color. So I'm gonna take my brush, I'm gonna dab it into Butterfly Fantasy and Maddie Girl, and then I'm just going to apply that to my eyelid for the base color. Guys, why is my eye like that? I'm like, and I do that throughout the video. I would like to apologize, but you know those TikToks where it's like, can you close one eye without moving the other one? And I can do that. I've always had that secret talent, so it's really creepy. But let's get back into the video again. Oh, and also, by the way, I'm not putting on any like base makeup like foundation or concealer or like contour or any of that, even though I know I should. I really don't have any other makeup besides this and like mascara and an eyelash curler. So that's what it looks like. I doubt you guys can see anything, but that is the base. Next, she said she's going to use M3 right here. So next I'm going to use the shade M3 like she said, and it looks very pigmented, so hopefully I don't ruin the look. She said to apply that color to the crease of her eye, so let's just apply that. It is supposed to just define your eye more. It's giving like a subtle dark, you know, shadow to the crease of your eye, and I really like that. So next, she's going to add this shade called Godfather, which is a really gorgeous color, and she just said to apply it with her finger. So look at that. It's so pretty. So now I'm going to attempt to add this onto my eyelid to add a little sparkly color. This is what it looks like now. So hopefully I did that right. I feel like I kind of had a hard time adding the sparkle Godfather to my eyes because I didn't really know where to put it. Like, I know it seems weird, but like she said to her eyelid, but I don't know if I should put it on the whole eyelid, like the middle part, or like everywhere. I don't really know. Next, she's taking the shade Latte right here, and it's just a little bit darker than M3, and she said to add that shade to the outer corner to add a bit more definition. So we're gonna try that out. What do you guys think? This is what I have so far. This is what it looks like. Okay, so next she's taking a smaller brush, and also I don't know what brushes to use, so I'm pretty sure this is a concealer brush, but you know, I'm gonna use it anyway. So the next shade she said to use is the same shade, which is Latte, and she said to add that to the under eye. I think that's the end of her tutorial, but I watched another tutorial of hers, and she said that she adds Angel to her inner corners, and Angel is one of my favorite shades. It's like this little pearlescent color, and it's not that sparkly, it's just really pretty, like a really pretty pearl color right like that. So I'm just gonna try to add that to my inner corners and not make a big mess, you know, like I did with the other sparkly colors. So yeah. So overall, my experience with this palette is amazing. I know I'm going to be very biased since this is like the only makeup palette I've ever had, but all the colors are really buildable and really beautiful, and especially the, I don't know how you call it, sparkly colors are really beautiful and they show up really nicely. So I definitely recommend this palette. It's very like girly and, you know, probably more for people my age. I like that this color has a lot of neutrals, but it also has some fun colors that I'm really excited to try out. So yeah, now let's apply some mascara. And last but not least, we're going to put on some lip gloss, also from my favorite place ever, e.l.f. And we're just gonna... So guys, this is the finished look with everything done. Don't mind all the sparkles underneath my eyes because I have no idea how to get rid of that. Look at the mascara on my hands. I'm such a mess. But yeah, this is the finished look. It's a everyday look, so it's not supposed to be, you know, that out there. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I'm not a professional makeup artist. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this whole video through. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for new videos every Friday. And once you do that, make sure to turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Also, don't forget to comment down below if you'd like to see more makeup videos from me because I really enjoyed doing them. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.